till we gone. Gotcha.
That's what it is, you know what I'm saying?
Amen.
That shit.
Hey, so,
Amen.
if this is your last time, you know, being able to see this gentleman again, what you'll be able to say to him? Say things don't go the way none of us anticipate.
Oh, man, word couldn't even express it, man. You know what I'm saying? We done had our ups and downs like any other people, you know what I'm saying? But word couldn't express it. You know what I'm saying? If I ever needed something, he had me. And if he ever needed something, I had him. It would have been like that forever, you know what I'm saying? That's just what that is. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes word can't explain it, you know what I'm saying? This just one of them times right there what that is.
Let me see y'all dap up on them hands.
No, it is, shit.
That's what it do. Moving on to the next, yeah.
Already, man, I'm gonna do both of these cats at the same time, you know what I'm saying? You know what it is, shit. These my cousins, you know what I'm saying? That job, that Tony, you know what I'm saying? These some character, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Live motherfucking action, like I said, you know what I'm saying?
Put my L in there.
These my niggas, man, we sit around, you know what I'm saying? Get on that Marley, man, get on that Madden, man, you know what I'm saying? They be trying to kick my ass, but they can't win, you know what I'm saying? So, that's what that is. I'm gonna let them boys say what they gotta say, you know what I'm saying?
If you're watching, then you already know, it's understood, ain't no explanation for it. You know what I'm talking about, it's mute, you know what I'm talking about, that old. You know what I'm talking about, I'm out here, Motown, West Side, you know what I'm talking about, what's up, baby, we here. Silver Black so forever. We gonna be here. We ain't going nowhere. That's just one part of the team. Shit, that we continue to roll. It's real. Crip gang. Fuck you haters.
Man, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, it ain't really just kicked in yet, you know what I'm saying, real nigga shit, but I'm happy, you know what I'm saying, at the same time, I know my niggas still good, I know I'm seeing them, but it ain't just kicked in yet. This shit really gonna kick in when September get around that thing, you know what I'm saying, when it really go in when the winter time, you know what I'm saying, this ain't, you know what I'm saying, you know, when the shit really be, you know what I'm saying, what it is, but at the same time, shit, it's still going down in the South. We still gonna put in these niggas' faces. We still gonna do what the fuck we need to do. And like my boy Pimp say, shit, we gonna keep ammunition for the devil. You know what I'm saying? Cause he ain't gonna win. Pussy nigga. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna keep this thing 100. You know what I'm saying? The big Zo cuz. My big cuz. I'm talking about all type of shit with
if you sleep, you better wake up, nigga.
Straight up, you know what I'm saying?
Wake you up, nigga.
A lot of G, you know what I'm saying?
If you
Straight
sleep,
up.
nigga, you better wake up,
nigga shoes.
Live action, nigga.
Nigga, wake you up, nigga. What's
keep it moving, baby. Shit.
I'm telling you.
You already know. You already know what it is over here, man. Shit, this my Steeler Nation brother, man. You know what I'm saying? If you boy don't know shit, I'm like the biggest motherfucking Steeler fan is in the world, you know what I'm saying? Steeler Nation all motherfucking day, I got them tatted on me, you know what I'm saying? But he'll tell you the story. I actually converted him. He ain't had no team. He come over my house every Sunday and watch the game, nigga. I had the motherfucking package, nigga. He watched the game every Sunday, so he became a Steeler fan. So I'm proud of that fact. That he a Steeler Nation, you know what I'm saying? I am a Cowboy hater, I ain't gonna fake shake about it, you know what I'm saying? But that's what it is, you know what I'm saying? My Steeler Nation brother.
Wow, go Big D, go. Go Big D, go.
I'm gonna let my nigga tell you what it is, you know what I'm saying?
What it is, man? Shit. Once again, nigga MP stepping to you, man. Fucking around my niggas over. Shit, we go way back. Shit, like I say, motherfucking Mount Chopper Day, man. We used to get it in. They goddamn church. Urging for y'all, man. It's going to your seat, man. Goddamn. It's what y'all motherfuckers don't even know about, goddamn. Shit, you know what I'm talking about, man? We got nothing but good up under goddamn, man. And like you say about that old Steeler shit, man. Need to come over there and get it in every Sunday, man. Like some real players. Shit, watching the motherfucking Steelers, man. Them boys used to make it happen. Shit, for real.
You know what it is, man. This nigga brother played ball together, you know what I'm saying, back in high school, you know what I'm saying. That's just what it is, shit. We've been friends a long time, man. Head and head, in case you niggas don't know, head bustin' #1, head bustin' #2, you know what I'm saying. In case you niggas don't know what that is, shit. We come up, nigga, knee high from a motherfucking tree high. I'm talking about niggas since first motherfucking grade type shit, you know what I'm saying. And that's what it is, shit. I'm gonna let these boys tell you who they is and what it is they do.
Yeah. They going down, you know what I'm saying, with my boy Shellback Zo. Like I said, nigga, shit, knee high from motherfucking grasshopper shit. We been doing this motherfucking shit, man, you know what I'm saying? Even before we knew we was motherfucking kinfolk, we always been motherfucking tight. Never had no motherfucking problems and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, Shit, that's what we always kept it, and look where we at now. You know what I'm saying? Shit, like I say, when he gone, shit, he know we gonna represent the home for him. That's what we do. 318, nigga. Get down. What? Silverback.
Most time bound, nigga. Like I said, nigga. What you want to tell him, my nigga? Shit.
You already know what time it is, how you know what I'm saying? She been doing it like this here, how but boy, my brother just put it down, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying like this here. Put it y'all fake ass nigga. All you 5 ass, yeah ass niggas just knowing niggas and shit, nigga. This 30 something years, nigga. Huh?
No,
lying motherfucker be action. And we still scrumpy. You see what I'm talking
Ain't
about?
going nowhere,
our
nigga,
whole
shit.
clique is 30-some years of knowing each other. See, that's real shit. You know what I'm saying? We talking about that outside. See, that's how we do it right here. Live action, nigga, hard head. Nigga, you know what I'm saying? Put it down with Silverback is over. You know what I'm saying? That's what time it is.
For y'all that don't know, anytime I say head without the hard, I'm talking about my brother. Yeah.
Yeah. Put it
Straight
down.
up.
Yeah. Live action, nigga.
Know what that is. You hit hard. My nigga, shit. Live motherfucking action, baby.
And I'm the big homies, man.
I move it over here, man. You know what it is, shit. This my nigga, motherfucking Pac-Man, nigga, shit.
Yeah,
He eat him up, nigga, shit. In case you don't know, shit, that's how he got the motherfucking name, nigga. That's Pac-Man, nigga, shit. Tell nigga what it is, baby.
Shit, I go get him, man. Shit. My kinfolk, man. Shit. The nigga right hand man, man. Shit.
Live action, nigga. Live action.
Can't miss me. You see him, you don't see me. Goddamn it.
That's what it is, baby,
From the
shit.
motherfucking bottom to the motherfucking top, nigga, through the motherfucking roof. Shit. Motherfucking eyes low. Up in this bitch, nigga.
Tight, baby.
30 to
Blow
the
that good,
motherfucking
man.
head, nigga. Shit.
Blow that good, man, shit.
Kinfolk, man. Shit, you looking at him. Shit, just read.
Smoke it out, baby, shit.
Shit. Goddamn it.
What you want to tell him, my nigga, shit?
I'm proud of how it is, right?
Come on, my nigga, man, shit. He don't talk too much, man, you know what I'm saying? But this my motherfucking nigga, man, you know what I'm saying? All niggas don't have to talk to get their point across. This nigga got plenty of pressure, you feel what I'm saying? Live motherfucking action, nigga, shit. That's what it is, baby. Shit. Y'all in the hood, baby. We in Motown, baby. We in the trap, baby. Shit don't get no real in this. All you niggas out there faking and shaking, nigga. We out here, nigga. We in here. We doing it, man. Shit. This live, nigga. Straight gorilla, nigga. SBE gorilla, nigga. Silverback Entertainment, nigga. Silverback Zoe, nigga. I'll be home, nigga, for you bitch, nigga. Shit, you ain't stopping nothing. I'm still here, nigga. I'm breathing, nigga. Shit. We getting it, nigga. Shit. You gonna hear my shit ringing while I'm away, nigga. So that what that is, nigga. Shit.
Stitches get stitches.
You hate on nigga, eat a dick, nigga. Shit. We out, baby.
Stitches get stitches.
Yeah. My baby. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Straight up. My family. You heard me? My family. You see this little nigga here? He was a big dog out here. You heard me? I call him Big Knee. You heard me? Straight up. Big dog. Yeah.
Yeah, you know he ready.
That's my big homie, you heard? Straight up. Don't forget that nigga. Real talk. 6 of them, nigga. 3 fingers, nigga. That's what's happening. Real talk. That's my family. Big knee, nigga. You know I got you. Leave.
You know what it is.